Your brain is addicted. And the worst part is you don't even know it. Every single day, without realizing, you take small hits of dopamine. One notification, one scroll, one short video. And your brain likes it. It feels easy. It feels good. It feels safe. But slowly, it starts changing you. Your phone pulls you in again and again and again. One scroll turns into minutes. Minutes turn into hours. And just like that, your time is gone. You sit there, tired, drained, confused. You wanted to do something important, but you didn't. So you blame yourself. You say, I'm lazy. I have no discipline. But listen carefully. It's not you. You are not broken. You are trained. This system is designed to hook you. Every app, every notification, every scroll is built to keep you there. Reward, repeat, reward. Your brain learns fast. It starts choosing what is easy over what matters. Easy feels good. Hard feels uncomfortable. So your brain says, choose easy. Again and again and again. And now you're stuck in a loop. But here's the truth. You can break it. You can take control back. Start simple. First, be aware. Track your time. See where it goes. Then, remove the triggers. Delete the apps that waste your time. Turn off notifications. Create distance between you and distraction. Now, start small. Focus for just 25 minutes. No phone, no distraction. Just one task. Then rest. Then repeat. Every day. Slowly, you take control back. Slowly, you rebuild focus. Listen carefully. You are not weak. You are trained. And anything trained can be changed. One choice at a time. One action at a time. One focused moment can change your life. So take it back. Not tomorrow. Not later. Right now.